In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any PDF file to Word. First of all, go to the website called smallpdf.com. Next up, you want to scroll all the way down, and then right there, you can actually click on PDF to Word. So let me click on that. Then right there, you actually need to drop the PDF file that you want to convert. So let me do that right now. This is the file, double click. Then right now, it's actually going to upload my file. There we go. And then as you can see right there, you can convert to Word or convert to Word with OCR. Now I'm just going to do this since this is Pro only. So convert to Word, choose option. Then right now it's actually converting. There we go. Then next up, click on download. And there you go. As you can see right there, my file is now converted from PDF to Word. If this works, make sure you leave a like. I would really appreciate that. And then others can actually find this video as well so that they can solve their problem. Now, if this works, like I just said, make sure you comment it down below, leave a like. I would appreciate that. And then I hope this works out for you. Peace out.